Welcome back to the channel. This isn't just any build, this is a dream build in the making. I'm going to show you how we got to this point, from the challenges we faced to the ones still ahead. This is where we're at now with the build. Everything is starting to come together. Things first, we need to protect the speed controllers before moving on to any other repairs. Luckily, the steering problem was an easy fix. All I needed was a programming card to set the forward and reverse speeds equal on the speed controller. The wheels were bending inwards because of the bearings, which caused the chain to slip off. So I had no choice but to rebuild the entire frame, this time much sturdier and better aligned. I needed to get some new used parts, so I stripped down this old pocket bike quad. I was after the rims, which are perfect for mounting the sprockets. I also needed to sacrifice my very mini bike for the rims. Here's a quick clip of that build, and if you want to see the full video, the link is in the description. I had to strip the taser to add a relay for the push button function. I used a central locking actuator from a car for the flamethrower. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted some of the footage from this part of the build, but here's a quick rundown of what I did. I added these flat bars to mount the chain tensioners, then installed these guide rollers to help maintain proper chain tension. I also fabricated these custom plates for the chain tensioners. The turntable section was also part of the footage I accidentally deleted, but here's a breakdown. It's driven by a 5 RPM worm gear motor connected with an aluminium flexible coupling, and the bearing that's actually repurposed from an old kitchen chair works perfectly for what I needed. I needed to add the self-centering kit to the FlySky FSI-6X to control the turntable functions, and later on it will come in handy for aiming up and down as well. If you're into RC and looking for any quality gear and parts or expert advice, get in touch with Firefly Hobbies. They've got everything you need to keep your builds running strong. For the turntable, I just used this cheap speed controller I got from Temu. The flamethrower system is not working correctly. I will have to find a way to get the spray in the direction of the taser prongs. Thank you for watching. If you want to follow the rest of the build, please subscribe to my channel.